guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos. And if you're liking these videos, then you can go hit this red color subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And don't forget to hit this bell icon so that whenever I upload a post, you get a notification. So for the ones who wants additional services or training, you can always WhatsApp to our customer care team. 7892652481 is the number. And for the ones who want to open an account through us, you can click the link in video description and open an account, your trading account in Zerodha or Upstock, so that you will be added to my secret Telegram channel. Not the public Telegram channel, it's the secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So today I just wanted to discuss about the Nifty 50, especially for a lot of beginners in our subscriber list. Okay, so the same thing I was discussing the same in my Telegram channel today morning. I told the same, but I just wanted to share a little so that a lot of beginners out there who are getting confused what to do when the market opens gap up. Now I'll tell you what has happened for few people. Examples. Now the market opened gap up because you see this is the close price, right? Alright, so this is the close price and this is the open price, but anyways you see a gap over here, so to the open price, right? So there is a gap between these two candles. So whenever there is a gap between the candles, there is a different way of handling it. But what happens, a lot of beginners, they just see, okay, Nifty has opened up, let's say 0.50 positive Nifty. Okay, now I will buy my stocks, whichever as per my strategy, I'll just go buy a stock. Now what will happen, they would have taken a stock, few people would have exited on time, few people would be waiting. Slowly the market came down. Alright, so they booked their losses or stop loss got hit, something got happened, so most of them booked their losses over here. So whenever a gap up or gap down happens, you should be very careful. I have told this before also, again I'm repeating for beginners, that whenever a gap up happens, most of the time two things happen. One, the gap gets filled, okay, half of the gap gets filled or full of the gap gets filled, or what else will happen, the stock will go upside direction. Now in these type of situation, what you have to do is very simple. You have to wait for some time, applying a 30 minutes candlestick pattern, and after that you have to wait for the half an hour and then wait whether you need to see if there is a breakout happening in the upper side or not. That's what I would advise you. Yes, you can wait for a breakout down also and take an advantage towards sell direction on a sell trending stocks, but you don't know how much the recovery happens, right? How much it covers the gap. So it may cover half like this, or sometime it may cover full, or it may go down also, but you don't know how much it will cover. So for beginners, what you can do, if the stock is opening gap up, wait for the upper breakout, 30 minutes upper breakout. Forget about the downside, because you can't predict how much recovery is gonna happen halfway or full way, and then you can't take sudden decisions. So wait for the upper breakout. Now in this case, upper breakout, obviously you will be waiting for your 0.3% advantage. So in this case you had to wait, and if you see, this was a resistance created. Now this particular candle also could not break that particular resistance, and later on it took some time, and here it has finally broken the resistance. So people who would have taken a buy side trade from this time would have got at least advantage somewhere here. Only 0.3 would have been done in whichever stock you had taken, trending stock, remember, trending buying stock. And yeah, people who would have waited for a longer profit also would have got. But always remember, nowadays the market is very volatile. That's what I tell every time to the beginners in Telegram: stay away from the market, be careful from the market, because during these type of markets, when people are confused which direction to go, market goes up and down. Now look at this example, the market went up and started coming down, and again went up, again coming down, again going up. So it's very volatile. There are days you would have seen Nifty is in green 20 or 0.50, and after some 1 hour Nifty is in 0.30 negative, right? So you have seen such situation. That means the market is very volatile. So for intraday traders, let the market go up, it is good. Let the market fall, it is good. But if market is volatile, going from positive to negative, it is not a good market. So stay away during such market. Look at the trend, how it looks. Wait for the market to settle down at least in the upper direction overall, or in the lower direction overall, but not like up and down and up and down. So be very careful. So like I told you, just remember this, beginners can wait for the upper breakout and take a 3% advantage of whatever formula you're facing, you're using, or you can use that particular thing. Yes, if you are experienced trader, definitely you know that you can take an advantage here also, but depends on the stock which you took at the right time. And in this case, it is not a clear sell direction also. If you see, everything is a shadow, just shadows breaking and going up. Sellers are pushing and buyers are pushing it up, so it is here, the closing is here. So therefore you should have waited over here. So most of them would have saved their lost trades in this particular reversal. So be very careful whenever a gap up happens. Be very careful. Sometimes the gaps are covered or it breaks out and go forward. So whenever it breaks out, take your advantage. If not, wait for the breakout and then take the advantage. All right. So hope this scenario just will help a lot of beginners next time. So only for that sake, I don't want my subscribers to lose their money, hard-earned money, like I always tell. During the situation, my advice is do paper trading, or if you're really trading with money, then go with small quantities. Okay, don't use 100% of your capital. Okay, don't test your 100% of capital during these type of markets. Be very careful. Wait for a few days, let the market settle down. Then you will get days when the market goes more of one direction, falling in one direction in these waveforms. So that time you can take advantage with whatever 100% of your capital if you are experienced trader. If not, during such situations, be very careful. Don't use all of your capital. You can lose percentage wise, like 50% of your capital or 80% of your capital. So now if your capital is, you're using all of your capital, then you're going to lose most of them. So use small amount of your capital just to learn such markets, or use one quantity to learn. Or if you're a beginner, do paper trading like I tell you always, and try to see the next scenario. Whenever a gap up happens, just have a check, because it's not that just because I told this should happen, it will not happen always. No, most of the time it happens. So start observing. This is the power you have. Smart Trader channel is all about observing and learning and then trying, right? So observe first for few days so that you'll get an idea, better idea than people who just blindly took today, buy over here, later market came down, so people hit their stop losses. A few people did selling, later it went up, they're asking why it came down, then again why it went up. All right, so the gap gets covered and it can go up also. All right, so that's all I wanted to share with you. Hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and also share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.